If you're thinking about starting a home care agency, this video could save you thousands of dollars and months of frustration. And believe me, it can get pretty frustrating along this journey because today I'm sharing the 5 costly mistakes I see new home care agency owners make over and over and over again. So, and unfortunately, most people don't even realize these mistakes until it's too late. Let's talk about it. Okay. So, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am Kenshonda Daniels, a home care consultant. I've helped tons of aspiring women start home care agencies and also build profitable home care agency businesses or service based businesses with my practical strategies, systems, and real world experience because I got the experience. I'm not just telling you from scratch, okay? So if you're serious about starting or growing your agency, make sure you subscribe because this channel is designed to help you avoid expensive mistakes and grow with confidence. Let's jump into mistake number 1. All right. So, number 1 is thinking the license is the business. And I know you guys have heard me talk about this license, this piece of paper, because a lot of you guys get this piece of paper and you lose focus. Okay, so one of the biggest misconceptions in this industry is believing that once you're licensed, you're ready to make money. Go figure. The reality, a license is simply permission to operate. It doesn't guarantee clients, it doesn't guarantee referrals, and it definitely doesn't guarantee revenue that you actually going to be making money. Okay, so many agency owners spend months focused on getting licensed and then have no strategy for finding clients afterwards. And as a consultant, and I've consulted many home care agency owners, this is true. This is one of the biggest ways. I mean, you guys think after you get the license, that's it, but it's more to it than that. The businesses that grow or marketing, well, I'll say this: the businesses that prepare for marketing before the license arrives and are smart. They're not waiting till after. Okay, they already have the plan. The second mistake is waiting for everything to be perfect. Now I know it's some of you out there. You like everything to be perfect before you move, before you take this step. You want everything to be in order. Throw that out the door because this mistake keeps people stuck for years. It can keep you stuck because you're in your mind, you're waiting on the right timing or the right moment or the right thing. No, you're just staying stuck. That's your excuse. You guys will wait until the website is perfect, the logo is perfect, the business cards arrive, the office looks amazing, and what else? Social media pages are flawless. But what does any of those things do for you, for your pockets? Okay. Meanwhile, someone else with less experience is out there networking, building. They already know this. Coming into the game, they know that they got to make those relationships. They got to make those connections, and then they start getting clients. Progress beats perfection every single time. It's a hard lesson, guys, but we have to learn it. Okay? All right. The third mistake that a lot of you are making is ignoring relationship building. So sometimes you come into it and you feel like you don't have to connect, or you just need to have a website. Okay? Home care is not a business. It's a relationship business. So agencies build relationships with social workers, case managers, hospitals. I did all of this, guys, myself for my own home care business, senior communities, churches, rehab centers, families. The agencies that stay visible stay on top of the mind. I hope you get that. The agencies that stay visible stay on top of the people's minds. So relationships are actually the ones that's creating the revenue. So once you get that concept, you'll start moving different. You'll have a different perspective, a different outlook, and a different plan. Okay, make the connection. Now, if you're enjoying this video, comment the word mistakes. I want to see it below in the comments, mistakes. Because some of you probably already made these mistakes, but it's not too late. All you got to do is just follow these steps, know what you did wrong, and then just go back and start fresh. And if you're serious about growing your agency, you can go ahead and join my school community. I'll drop the link below and grab my home care growth kit. So I'll have that link below. I created them to help agencies build systems, attract clients, and grow faster without feeling overwhelmed. Because there is a way you can grow your home care agency and not feel like the world is on your shoulders. Okay, there's a way. So grab my home care growth kit. I'll have it linked below. Now let's get into mistake number 4. And a lot of you, this is probably already resonating with you. I'm stepping on your toes. So mistake number 4 is trying to do everything yourself. I am, and I have been one of those type of people that will wear many hats, but it's not smart. Okay, so many agency owners become the CEO, the recruiter, the marketer, the caregiver, the administrator, and customer service representative all at once. And eventually, you'll get burned out. The goal isn't to do everything. The goal is to build systems that work for you and give you back your time. Systems allow your business to grow because when you remove yourself from trying to play every role, you put systems in place and give your business the opportunity to grow. So you see how that helps you and how it helps your business. Systems reduce stress because you're organized. Systems create consistency. You stay on track. You don't need a huge team, but you do need processes. So like I shared with you guys before, my own journey with my home care agency, I started out by myself doing everything by myself. I quickly realized I needed systems and I needed structure. Once I got that concept, I started organizing, right? And putting things into place. Don't make that same mistake. Don't burn yourself out. All right. So now, number 5, this is the 5th mistake that a lot of home care agencies make: not tracking numbers. And now I know this may be foreign. It may be, some of you may be like, what are you talking about? Okay, this one usually surprises people because many agency owners don't know that how many leads they generated this month. And I do for my business because one of the ways I know is because Google tells me. Okay, Google gives me the analytics. And then also I have my own tracking system. How many leads you generate in a month? You should know. How many referrals you receive in a month? You should know. How many consultations have you booked? You should have some type of system that keeps track of this. Okay. How many prospects converted? Now, this may sound like something for some of you who are kind of tech savvy. It may sound like you need a CRM, but you need something in place to help you keep track of these things. How much revenue each client produces. This is big because now we're talking about your money. We're talking about your revenue, your pockets. You should be tracking this. Successful business owners track numbers. Now, if you're thinking like a CEO, this should come natural to you. You know the importance of tracking numbers. But if you're still thinking about, okay, this is just my little business or whatever, you're not taking it serious, then you will be one of the ones that will end up staying stuck and not growing. Because what gets measured gets improved. So if you can measure it, then you can improve it. And then what that looks like, if you can see what areas that you need to grow in, or what systems you need in place. If you care enough, guess what? You can improve it. And in improving it helps you and helps your business. You cannot grow when you don't understand. So if something you don't understand, get the help, the knowledge, right? The assistance, the coaching to understand so that you can grow. Because the goal is to grow your agency, not keep it stuck. That's why I'm talking to you guys about this. So the real secret, the truth is that most successful home care agencies aren't successful because they're smarter. Don't think because they're doing big and they're doing good, they're smarter. They're successful because they're consistent. They show up. You can't pick it up one day, put it down the next day. Pick it up 3 months later, put it down for another 6 months. You have to take it serious and show up and be consistent. You have to build the relationships. Just like we have relationships in our personal lives, you need to build relationships in your business to help your business thrive. And they improve systems. Okay? These successful agencies, I'm telling you what they do, how they get to become successful. They improve systems. So if one system is not working, improve it, make it better. Find somebody like me that can help you. Okay? They market regularly. You can't make one social media post 1 week and then 3 months, 5 months go by, and then you make another. How you have to show up and be consistent. How bad do you want your agency to grow? Success in home care isn't complicated. It's not complicated. Once you have the knowledge, the systems, it's not complicated. So, but it does require consistency. It does. That's a must. So, this is my last words in this video to you. If you're currently starting your home care agency, comment the word beginner. If you've already started, you newly licensed, comment beginner. If you're ready, if you're already licensed and you're ready to stop struggling, like you're struggling to grow, comment stuck. Don't be ashamed. Just comment stuck, because you can get help. You can get unstuck. That's the whole reason why I'm talking to you guys about this. I can help you. And if you're actively growing and building momentum, comment grow. That's a good thing, a good sign. Okay, so I love hearing where everyone is in their journey, because that helps me. So once you reach out to me and connect with me, then I know where you are. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because every week I'm sharing videos. I'm giving you practical strategies to help, those ambitious women out there, because I know y'all are watching, build profitable home care businesses. Okay? And even if you don't have a home care business, if you have a service-based business, same thing, okay? To create financial freedom. I get it. I understand. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.